Let's take a look at understanding work at multiple levels of culture. This view that senior leaders create cohesive organizational culture has lost credibility. It's often closely linked to an idealistic notion of culture that a set of overall meanings, ideas, and values communicated by senior management will lead to a strong sense of direction and priorities shared with the organization. Two alternative but complementary forms of critique have emerged. One emphasizes work, context, and everyday life that implies a strong variation in complex organizations. The specific tasks of work groups, rather than the overall business of the company, are decisive for the meanings and ideas of various groups. The other critique of unitary and unique management-shaped organizational culture emphasizes circumstances around the specific organization. Organizations are culturally shaped through meanings associated with macro forces and large groups widely distributed throughout various settings associated with notions, religions, industries, occupations, education, and so on. These meanings may be fairly thin, but can still be important for collaboration and a sense of shared interest and direction.